Morning everyone. Today is the last class for this chapter similarity. After this class we have to discuss from the first chapter, because you know our headmistress gave a notice on the Google Classroom that I guess from the first week of the August the school will organize MCQ type questions on the online. Therefore we have to take revision on the first term chapters. The exam will be organized on only of the first term chapters. So first, the sum number 3. In the adjoining figure, if LM parallel to AB and AL equal to x minus 3 unit, AC equal to 2x unit, BM equal to x minus 2 unit, and BC equal to 2x plus 3 unit, then let us determine the value of x. So first of all, this is the diagram. AL means this one. AL equal to x minus 3 and BM means this one, BM equal to x minus 2. Now therefore LC means or CL means total side is AC minus AL. If we subtract the value of AL from the AC, therefore we get CL. So therefore the value of CL equal to AC equal to, we know that 2x minus AL means x minus 3, so 2x x minus 3, opening those brackets, 2x minus x plus 3 equal to x plus 3 unit. Same goes for CM equal to total side is BC minus BM. So BC is 2x plus 3 unit and BM is x minus 2 unit. So therefore 2x plus 3 minus x plus 2 equal to 2x minus x 3 plus 2, x plus 5. Now we know that LM parallel to AB. So if LM parallel to AB, therefore we say that angle L equal to angle A and angle M equal to angle B, they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. So therefore we can say that from Thales theorem we can say that CL by AL equal to CM by BM from Thales theorem. Now we have to put down those values. CL means x plus 3, AL means x minus 3, CM means x plus 5, BM means x minus 2. First of all we have to cross multiply those values, x plus 3 into x minus 2 and x plus 5 into x minus 3. Now opening those brackets, x into x, x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x, plus 3 into x, plus 3x, plus 3 into minus 2, minus 6. X into x, x square, 5 into x, plus 5x, minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus 3 into plus 5, minus 15. x square plus 3x minus 2x means plus x minus 6 equal to x square plus 5x minus 3x means plus 2x minus 15. Therefore x square plus x, and these two going in the left hand side, so therefore minus x square minus 2x equal to minus 15, and minus 6 goes for the right hand side, this should be plus 6. So therefore eliminate these two. Minus 2x plus x means minus x, minus 15 plus 6 means minus 9. Eliminate those minus, so therefore we can say that x equal to 9. So therefore value of x is 9 unit. This is the answer. Very very important sum. This is sum number 4. In the adjoining figure, means this figure, if in ABC DE parallel to BQ parallel to BC and AD equal to 3 centimeter, DP equal to x centimeter, PB equal to 4 centimeter, AE equal to 4 centimeter, EQ equal to 5 centimeter, QC equal to y centimeter, then let us determine the value of x and y. So first of all, we know that these three are parallel. First of all, we have to deal with triangle ADE and triangle APQ. So DE parallel to BQ, therefore we can say that angle D equal to angle P and angle E equal to angle Q, as they are corresponding angles. So therefore we can say that these two triangle ADE corresponding to triangle APQ. So therefore we can say that from Thales theorem, we can say that AD by DP equal to AE by EQ. We know that from the Thales theorem. We have to put down those values. Value of the AD equal to, we know that 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. DP, we don't know the value of DP. This is x centimeter. We have to find the value of x. Now we have to find the value of AE. AE equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore this is 4, and EQ means 5. So therefore cross multiplying those values, 3 into 5 15 equal to 4x, or x equal to 15 by 4. So the value of x is equal to 15 by 4. Now we have to deal with triangle APQ and triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Let us assume that PQ is not here, like this one. ADE, this is BC. We know that these two are parallels. DE parallel to BC and angle D equal to angle B and angle E equal to angle C. Therefore we can say that these two are equal because corresponding angles. Therefore we can say that triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. So from Thales theorem, we can say that AD by DB equal to AQ by QC. Same goes for if PQ parallel to BC, PQ parallel to BC, we can say that triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC, and from Thales theorem we can say that AP by PV equal to AQ by QC. Now the value of AP means AD plus DP, AD plus DP, and PV means PB. AQ plus QC means AE plus EQ, AE plus EQ by QC. Now the value of AD means 3 and DP means X. So therefore 3 plus DP means here DPX is equal to 15 by 4. So therefore 3 plus 15 by 4 by PV, this PV is 4. AE plus EQ, AE plus EQ. So AE means 4, EQ means 5, and QC means Y. 3 plus 15 by 4, if this is 1, so 1 into 4, LCM is 4. 1 into 4, 4 times, so 4 into 3, 12 plus 15 equal to 4 plus 5 means 9 by Y, and this 4 is multiplied here 4. So therefore we can say that 12 plus 15 means 27 by 4 equal to 9 into 4 means 36 by Y. So cross multiplying those values, Y came here, 27 came here, interchange those places. So Y equal to 36 by 27, and this 4 multiplied by here, it should be 4 here, eliminating 9 by 9, it should be 3, it should be 4. So the value of Y equal to 16 by 3. This is very important sum, very important sum.